David here. Wanted to talk about end walls today. With fabric structures, you can have end walls or you can leave them off, whatever suits you. In the hotter climates, sometimes it's better to have that clear end because the heat rises up in the structure, up into the apex and channels out the end. And so they'll be considerably cooler if you have the one or both the ends open. So consider that, be aware that the rain comes in, allow about a 45-degree angle. So if your structure is 6 metres or 8 metres high, allow 6 or 8 metres where the rain's going to drive in if you're working there in the wet season. So if you're not going to have an end wall, consider making the structure longer. Put an extra section in, and the cost won't be very different. You can retrofit end walls onto existing buildings, but always contact us first because the engineering has increased. Because of the global warming and the increased winds, we are now building the structure stronger. So structures that we used to be able to put end walls on, now we need to strengthen them. And once again, sometimes it's cheaper to put an extra section on of the stronger structure with the end wall on it. But be aware that some of the older structures, and only going back a few years, are not strong enough to take the end walls under today's engineering. You've got the choice of full end walls, so all the way from the top to the bottom. You've got partial end walls. Normally on container mounted shelters you'd have them to the top of the containers. In other situations you can stock them anywhere you like. You can have them higher or lower. If you've got double stacked containers you can come down 1 container or 2 containers. You can have a container as a back wall or as offices and bring your wall down to that. The end walls have braces going back to the roof, so as they're strengthened and self-supporting. Where we have end walls for the doors, we have the end wall with a doorway in it. So it's just a matter of working out what you need and then design a wall to suit your needs.